Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll show you what to do when an iPhone won't play audio. To be honest, even the top-tier iPhone can encounter unexpected audio issues. The volume is all the way up on iPhone, but no audio will play when you're on a call, listening to favorite music or podcasts, driving a car, playing videos, using an app, etc. Don't worry if you experience the same missing audio problems. We've figured out the possible causes and compiled a few key troubleshooting steps to get the sound of music, videos, and podcasts back to normal again on your iPhone. Why is your iPhone not playing any audio? When it comes to reasons for the audio issue, your first thought should be that the speakers might be physically broken. But in most cases, the audio issue is related to the software. For example, enabled silent mode or do not disturb, system audio glitches, blocked or dirty speakers, wireless audio output conflicts, and outdated OS. Now, follow me to walk through how to fix audio not playing on iPhone. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Inspect the audio output of your iPhone speaker. If your iPhone is not playing audio in speaker mode, the first step is to test if the speaker is working well. You can do that by adjusting the volume levels, and below is a tutorial. Go to the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit to find and choose Sounds and Haptics. Under the Ringtone and Alerts section, there will be a volume slide. Move the slide to the right to increase the volume. If no sound comes out of the speaker, then it's likely that the audio chip, stereo speaker or other components are damaged and require service. If you can hear the sound, it means the speaker is working well. Make sure the sound settings for ringtones, alerts, and other are properly set up. Then, keep moving on to try some troubleshooting steps to fix iPhone audio not working. 2. Disable silent mode on iPhone. When activated, silent mode stops sound from coming out of your iPhone by silencing the incoming calls, alerts, notifications, etc. To fix audio when you can't hear anything, just turn off the silent mode. If your iPhone has a ring silent switch on its left side, pull it towards the screen to set the phone back to ring mode. If there is an action button on your iPhone, for example, iPhone 17, just press and hold it to toggle off silent mode. After that, increase the sound using the volume keys and see if the audio can play on your iPhone normally now. 3. Toggle off Do Not Disturb. Like silent mode, the Enable Do Not Disturb feature can block all alerts and interfere with the sound functionality on iPhone. To switch off the DND mode, open the Control Center. Tap on Focus, then locate the Do Not Disturb feature. If it's highlighted, just tap to disable it. Now, make a call or play a video to see if it can get audio play again on your iPhone. 4. Simply reboot your iPhone. iPhone won't play audio files because the sound randomly stops? It's likely that temporary software glitches crop up disabling the sound. Performing a reboot helps clear them away while keeping all your data untouched. Here's what you need to do. Grab your iPhone, press the side button on iPhone 8 or older, or press either volume button and side button on iPhone 10 or newer. Move the red power off slider to the right. The device will switch off itself in seconds. Just wait 1 minute. Then, long press the side button on all iPhone models until the screen pops up an Apple logo. After your iPhone turns back on, see if the audio goes back to the working order again. 5. Clear out debris from iPhone speaker holes. Over time, your iPhone speaker can accumulate dust, lint, and various particles. These debris can potentially diminish the sound quality or stop the audio from playing on an iPhone. If you suspect this cause, attempt to clean the blocked or dirty speaker. Grab a soft bristled brush and scrub it across the receiving speaker and the lower speaker near the charging port. Insert and rotate the bristles into the holes gently to sweep away any dust or debris. Now, play a song to see if there is audio coming from the speaker. 6. Switch off Bluetooth. Have you ever connected Bluetooth headphones like AirPods or external audio sources like speakers with your iPhone before? If yes, it's possible that the audio is playing on those devices instead of the phone's internal speaker, causing the missing audio on iPhone problem. Now, just ensure that they're not automatically paired with your iPhone or used as the audio output device. To switch off Bluetooth, open the Control Center and tap the Bluetooth icon to make it gray. If your iPhone won't play audio through Bluetooth like AirPods, try to switch off the Bluetooth for a while. Then, Turn it back on and reconnect to see if the audio problem is resolved. 7. Check the audio settings in the app. Some apps, for example, YouTube, gives users an option to mute the sound. With it turned on, it'll cause the audio to stop playing from the app, making you think that there are audio glitches. If you find the iPhone will not play audio in one specific app, adjust its audio or sound settings like the volume, music, sound effects, etc. 8. Update your iPhone's OS. Attempt to install the latest iOS on your iPhone. This new software firmware could have a fix to troubleshoot the audio issues and restore the sound. To update your iPhone, connect it to Wi-Fi and plug it into a power source first. Then, navigate to the Settings app. Tap on General, then choose Software Update. When a new version of iOS shows up, tap on Download and Install. Enter the passcode if needed and agree to the terms and conditions. After the upgrade, try to play the audio to see if it works and makes sound on your iPhone. 9. Backup data and factory reset your iPhone. If your iPhone audio is still not working, consider backing up the personal data and content then resetting the device. A factory reset helps resolve any bug or error caused by an app or the operating system. Alright, make a backup. Then follow these steps to fix iPhone audio not working. Go to the Settings app. Tap to choose General. Scroll down and tap to select Transfer or Reset iPhone. In the next page, choose Erase all content and settings from the bottom. Enter passcode or Apple ID password if prompted. Then tap Continue to confirm and trigger a reset process. Hope the audio file can play from your iPhone now. 10. Bring iPhone in for service. If none of these steps help fix audio files not playing on iPhone, you can determine that the device has a hardware issue. Reach out to Apple support online, then send all the things they require to learn about no audio issues. Or you can directly bring the phone to an authorized service center for an in-person inspection. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix audio not playing on iPhone. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful for you. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.